from holidays2switzerland.com. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to book your rail package through the Switzerland Travel Centre website. Now, you might have started over here on our own website, holidays2switzerland.com, where we've got details of the Swiss Rail packages and the Grand Train Tour of Switzerland packages, and also the information about the promo code that you can use when booking to receive a 5% discount. You can either click through to the Switzerland Travel Centre website from our website here, or you can go directly to their website, switzerlandtravelcentre.com. And under the Round Trips tab here, you'll find an option for scenic rail journeys. That's the page I'm on here. It lists lots of different trains and packages that you can choose to book within Switzerland. And for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to select the Grand Train Tour of Switzerland. It gives us an overview of the Grand Train Tour package and some of the different durations that are available. So let's start with the original Grand Train Tour, 8 days and 7 nights. On this page, we'll find a map showing us where the itinerary takes us. And we've also been given information on the daily itinerary, the highlights in each destination, and the places where you'll stay overnight. So there's lots of information there. There's a drop-down box showing us the inclusions of the package and some general information about the packages. So once we've read through the itinerary and we know, yes, that's what we want to do, we can hit on this red button down the bottom to book the package. But first we have to choose the direction that we want to travel in. So in this case, we'll select Lucerne to Interlaken. Whilst the page loads, it's working out our daily itinerary for us and giving us a listing of what things we do on each particular day. So for instance, we're starting in Lucerne as we selected. It tells us the highlights of Lucerne. We then travel from Lucerne to Interlaken on the Lucerne-Interlaken Express and stay overnight in Interlaken. The next day we're on the Golden Pass Express from Interlaken to Montreux, and so on. Now what we need to do is we need to enter our travel dates, so the date we would like to start the trip, and we do this by selecting any of the highlighted boxes or any of the dates that are applicable on the drop-down box. Then we put in the number of travellers, so let's say we're booking for 2 adults. We then need to nominate if we already have a travel card or a Swiss rail card. Now for most people that are coming to Switzerland from another country, they won't already have a Swiss rail card, so we're going to choose no travel card, non-resident Swiss, and we'll do that for both passengers. Then we save that and we nominate the hotel preferences that we have. You can either choose the recommended hotels for this itinerary, or you can nominate to choose a particular standard of hotel via the star rating. We'll just go with the recommended hotels in this example, and then hit Start Planning. Now, whilst this is happening, these hotels are actually being secured for us. So the availability is happening, or the reservation is happening as we go through the booking process. We can see our trip at a glance here, and there's 1 night in each of these listed destinations. Now the great thing about this booking process is that we can make any adjustments as we like as we go along. So for example, if we wanted to stay 2 nights in Interlaken, it's just a matter of here clicking the plus box and adding an additional night. and you'll see over here that the price will adjust automatically too. Now, another thing we can do is we can change hotels. So whilst the Hotel Beau site has been recommended for us here, we can adjust this by either adjusting the kind of the standard of room that we've been given. So we could upgrade to a superior double room, for instance, just by hitting the select button here. Or we could choose a different hotel entirely. All the available hotels in Interlaken will be shown, and we can see the price difference if we choose a different hotel. Some will be more expensive, some less expensive. So once we've decided on the hotel that we want for that destination, we can then move on to activities. There are numerous different activities that can be booked in different destinations. So we click on the activities tab, and it shows us some of the different activities that we can book. There's a private guided tour, and then there's different mountain excursions in Interlaken, for instance. So if we have a look at this Schilthorn via Mürren excursion, we can have a look and see down here the details of the excursion and what's included. Tells us the price. If we're happy with that, we'll select that, and that has now been added to itinerary. So you can go through and do that on each day of your trip. We can see an overview here of the itinerary once it all loads. So we've got our daily itinerary there. Once we're happy with that, we can continue to the booking process. This section here is telling us that second class train tickets have been included throughout, but if we wanted to upgrade to first class, we can for an additional $376 total. We can book lunch on the Glacier Express. We can choose to take the flex option cancellation insurance if we want to, and there's also an option to choose the Swiss Coupon Pass, which is a 2-for-1 discount booklet. Now on this itinerary, there's also the option to pay for luggage transport, so you don't need to worry about taking your luggage on board the trains with you each day. It can be arranged on your behalf. So there's the option to choose that and to select the number of pieces of luggage that you would like transported. Once you're happy with that, you can continue. And it takes us to the booking page. So I've entered some false details in here just to give you an example. I've gone through all the process there. Then I hit on continue to summary, and it takes me to the booking page. Now here I've entered the code HT Swiss in this promo code box, HT Swiss. I hit redeem, and it has taken the 5% discount off the whole package price. So that's how you redeem your discount. Once you're happy with that, you can accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and then hit this pay and book button, and you'll be taken to a page to enter all your credit card details. You'll receive a confirmation, and then about 3 or 4 weeks before your departure date, you'll be emailed all the documentation and tickets for your trip. So it really is as easy as that. It's very intuitive. As I said, you can make adjustments as you go along. It's simple and easy, and by entering our code HT Swiss, you can save 5% discount. So enjoy your trip. From holidaysto Switzerland.com. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to book your rail package through